This detached is 5 bedrooms, 3,400 square feet and renovated, and it steps to Erin Mills Town Centre, which is just down the street that way. So this is in the Erin Mills community. People love this neighborhood. There's a good mix of property types here and a lot of larger homes. Amenities, everything, schools. The schools actually are rated some of the top schools in Mississauga, and amenities are everywhere. Just a short walk away. You can literally get good food, entertainment, Walmart, you name it, it's all around here. So this is it. This is a 2-car garage, 3,400 square feet, detached house. And again, it does have a pretty big driveway. They've even extended the driveway on that side. I like the black garage door. I'll show you guys the inside. Now the basement is unfinished. You could kind of do what you need down there. It's a big open space. And if you work from home, it actually has a main floor office. So this is kind of what you see as soon as you enter. Now, the one thing they didn't do was the stairs. They are still upgraded in terms of the spindles, but they could have stayed in the staircase. But anyways, everything else is very nice. They've done new floors in this place. I love the color that they've chosen. On this side, it's your living and dining room. It's quite long. I'll get to the other side in a second. I just want to give you kind of an idea of the space. They've done pot lights throughout this property. And then on this side, you have your powder room, which is right there. And then like a mud room with your laundry. And I believe there is access to the garage, 2-car garage, laundry on the main level with a side door entrance. Right, so then on this side, you have an office space. If you work from home, this will be very convenient for you. And it's a pretty good size, right? So it can even be used as a 6th bedroom if you want, but I don't know, because it's kind of like right in the main floor area. And then on this side, you have your family room with a gas fireplace. Now there is a little surprise for the kids in this house. I'll get to that in a minute. It's in the backyard. Put it this way, if they need to go to the park, it's not that far. So here is the kitchen. There's 2 entrances to the kitchen. One is from the dining room area. The other one is from where I just came in. I'll show you on this side. And they've upgraded the cabinets. That's granite countertops. And you have a huge fridge for all the snacks and juice that your kids will need. And then it is an eat-in kitchen. So pretty decent size. That's a small table. You could fit a much bigger table in there if you wanted. So that's the family room again. That's where you enter on this side. That's the front door over there. And then you have access to your dining room from this side as well. So here's the dining room. Now look at the length of this space, living and dining combined, massive. It just keeps going. And again, you have the pot lights in the dining room as well. And this is it. You have a nice little park in the backyard. So your kids don't have to go too far to enjoy some swings, a slide. And then they even did the deck. Now the deck does probably need to be stained again, but that's not a big job to do. And if you want to put some sweat equity into the house, it's something that you can probably do yourself. Here's just another angle of the living room. Pretty nice. There is a good amount of natural light that does come in here. And then upstairs you have the 5 bedrooms, right? So this is the spiral staircase. I love the foyer up here because it's quite open, right? So you can see like all the rooms from... So behind me is actually the primary room. I'll show you guys that in a second. But I do like this open concept upstairs, right? So let's just go room by room here. This is 1 bedroom. Pretty decent. Is that a walk-in closet? Yeah, comes with a walk-in closet. So we'll call this bedroom number 2 because the primary will be bedroom number 1. We'll get to that one last. You have your upgraded full washroom, his and her sinks, stand-up shower, but it does have the tub. Then you have this bright room, which is almost as big as your primary room. And then your 4th bedroom, and then your 5th bedroom. And this one actually has a ensuite with the stand-up shower. Now I'm gonna show you guys the primary room, which is as big as some condos, to be honest. It's pretty much spans the width of the whole house. So this is it. This is your primary room. And this is also part of your primary room. And then this is your 5-piece ensuite. You got the jacuzzi tub. You have the stand-up shower. Oh, I like the colors that they chose for this washroom, to be honest. It's pretty nice. You have the vanity, his and hers. And then it actually has 2 walk-in closets. So here's one walk-in closet. And here is your other walk-in closet. So with 2 closets, I mean, it's good if both you and your partner have a lot of clothes. Like in my household, we only have 1 walk-in closet and I don't think it's enough. So let me show you guys the basement though, which is unfinished. You're able to finish it as a rec room, as an apartment. You could legalize it, really whatever you feel is necessary. So it might get a little dark in here because it is unfinished, but you'll get an idea of how big it is. Okay, so this, you come down the stairs here, and then you have like 2 sides. One side here, one side there, and this is completely like massive. You could do really so much down here. And they've already put some like makeshift carpet down here. At least the kids can play around. It's not bad. Right? You get a good idea. You can even split this basement in half. So half you could make as an apartment and half you can kind of keep for yourself. This is what is listed at $1.695 million. Steps to Erin Mills Town Centre, 5 bedrooms. How many washrooms was there? Half washroom here, 1, 2, 3 full washrooms upstairs, so 3.5 washrooms. And I mean, you could put another 1 or even 2 washrooms in the basement if you wanted. Most of the house has been redone. Stairs, they can use a stain and a different color just to match the floors. I think it would give it a nice touch. But if you have a big family or a blended family, this is definitely something for you to consider. If you like these videos, make sure you subscribe. If you have any comments or questions about this property, just drop a comment below, and I hope you enjoyed.